Hey you guys, let's do a makeup look. I want to play in my makeup because I will never do it. So I'll take you guys along with me. I mean, yesterday's leftovers, catfish nuggets, cheesy potato skin. And string me. Pass a piece like we used to do. Hey. Okay, that's better. A little bit. Let's get started. These leftovers busting. Hawaiian punch from Dollar Tree. Whew. I had to put some on my stomach. We ready? Let's just get started. Alright, hey you guys, so here is our beauty. Get into it. Oh yeah. Here's the color in the back. So I just crinkled it with my crinklers. So let's install it. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I did not pluck it or anything yet. So I kind of just went off where I think it's gonna be. So yeah, let's get started. So I want to try. So I want to do like this just basic makeup look. So I found this palette at the beauty supply store. So I just want to play in it. Let's just see how this is going to go. No expectations. I just thought it was pretty. So let's do that. Look for my brushes. They're like super dirty. So I found these brushes. I bought these brushes in 2017 and I never used them. I just ran up on them looking for my other brushes. Let me show y'all. I got them from Amazon on sale, like a discount. So I probably paid like $6 for these. This is a whole brand new set. So I'm gonna use these since my other brushes are dirty, and that's what we're gonna use. So these lashes, as you know, if you know, you know, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Let's put these on.
Got the kick.
Not feeling my makeup.
So what I gather.
Late lunch with one of my friend girls. So we're at Chili's. Say hey.
Hey, I'm gonna eat.
This is info. Uh-oh.